Start ECU tuning business. Let's have a chat before getting into more educational and scientific subjects. When it comes to buying something, it doesn't matter it's a watch, it's a service, or it's a car. It must worth it. That's the reason I'm going to talk about why do you need this course. What is all this about? Have you ever wondered how some cars feel more powerful and responsive than others, even with the same engine? The secret is ECU remapping, also known as chip tuning. Involves modifying the software in your car's engine control unit to optimize performance. Whether you're looking for more power, better fuel efficiency, or enhanced drivability, remapping is the key. You can make at least $200 per each car, which is coming to your garage each day in less than 30 minutes. And everybody needs your service. I'm going to tell you why. I don't think there's anybody out there who hates to make his car have a better performance or better fuel consumption, which can save them $500 each month, or making the engine works in the best and safest condition, like reducing the engine heat or having a perfect AFR so that the engine lasts longer with no extra expenses. Why keep paying for expensive repairs? Investing in ECU remapping gives you long-term savings by eliminating pre-acceleration delay, turbo lag, and the knock phenomenon. You'll get fewer breakdowns and less downtime, reduced repair costs, improved performance and fuel economy. Do you know how much you are losing money for not knowing how to remap a car? If you are already in vehicle industry or operating a garage, you know that you can make a lot of money by remapping a car for better performance, or removing DTC codes, or even having a better fuel consumption at the same time. Why learn ECU remapping? If you don't know the answer till now, I will tell you. Learning ECU remapping gives the power to enhance vehicle performance and you can make thousands of dollars by knowing how you can do it on your own. On the other hand, it's like having the tools to unlock hidden performance, whether you're tuning for racing or simply optimizing your daily drive. By understanding how to remap, you can fine-tune your car to suit your exact preferences, whether it's maximizing torque for city driving or optimizing for long-distance efficiency. It can save money on professional tuning services and let you fine-tune multiple vehicles. Instead of paying hundreds for a professional tune-up, learning remapping can save you time and money. Plus, you can make adjustments anytime your needs change. As more people seek better performance, demand for skilled ECU tuners is growing. It's a great skill if you want to start a side hustle or break into the automotive performance market.